Hi, I'm Mark, and this is Everyone Can Grill. Today on the Weber Spirit, we're gonna cook corn casserole. Super simple to do, but man, is it good. And what better thing to cook on a rainy February day? So stick around, because this is gonna be good. All right, you guys ready for the best corn casserole you're gonna ever have? First thing I'm gonna do is take a stick of butter, put it in this little cast iron. I'm gonna break it up a little bit. How about not the paper though? And we're just gonna take that, throw it right on the grill, get that warmed up. All right, let's make this happen. We're gonna take a box of Jiffey corn muffin mix, put the whole box in the pan, or in the bowl, just like that. I'm not gonna place this on my trash. Right there. 2 eggs. Try not to get the shells in there. So 1. Should do those on the flat. See how much better that works. 2. A can of whole kernel corn that I want to drain. So I will be right back. Okay, there's a whole can of drained Del Monte corn. Use whatever corn you want. Whole kernel. And then 1 can of cream corn. This is an easy recipe, man. Very easy. Boom. Right in there. 1 cup. I already measured this out and put it back in here. Of sour cream. And let me grab my gloves. See how our butter's doing. All right, let's pull this butter off the grill. Don't forget that was in the grill. You don't want to burn yourself. That would be bad. Got a quick stir in there just to break up the lumps. Pour that right on top. I'll put that up here, out the way. And now, stir everything in. This isn't hard. I'm going to speed this up a little bit. You don't need to watch me stir. And there we go. Now, cast iron skillet time. Get my pan. And a glove, because I don't think this pan's spraying very well anymore. Nope. Give this a good coat. The pan, we don't want this sticking. And I'm just grabbing a glove because paper towels are farther away. We're gonna put that all over there, just like that. Boom. Now, before our spoon completely disappears into this, I'm gonna pour that right in the cast iron skillet. Just like that. As much in there as we can. I could have used a rubber spatula to pull all that out of there, but I didn't want to mess up the rubber spatula too. Get this all flattened out. I got my grill running right bug on 350. So I'm going to move the camera around to the other side and I'll show you putting it on and show you how I put it on to get it indirect. So I will be right back. Okie doke. Let's get this rolling. I'm going to take my jalapeno popper grill holder thing that Jimmy gave me for Christmas. Put that right in the middle. And we're gonna put this on top of that. And it raises it up off the grill grate. And it kind of makes it to where we're cooking indirect, even though we're not. Close the lid. And we're gonna let this go for about 45 minutes. So I'll bring you back about halfway through and let you see what it looks like, because I'm gonna spin that around. All right, we're about halfway through cooking this corn casserole. And oh yeah, look at how nice that looks. I'm gonna turn it around a little bit. We'll do a taste, quick poke. See, it's coming out, it's still wet. This isn't even, not even close to being close, huh? So we're gonna close this lid back up and let it roll. I will bring you back in a few when it is done. All right, while this is on the grill going, I just wanted to take a second to say thanks to everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I can't believe the positivity that I'm getting from this. I had no idea that would ever happen. So thank you very much. And I'll try to keep doing what I'm doing. If there is anything that anybody wants to see or any ideas for a recipe or something like that they want to shoot my way, put it in the comments down below and let me know. And I'll see what I can do for you. But seriously, thank you everybody for everything that you've done for me. I really appreciate it. Now let's get back to grilling. All right. Check it out. Oh, look at the nice color on there. This is looking good. Yes. Yes. I'm calling this done. Corn casserole. Cast iron skillet on a grill. Let's take a little cut into this. See how it looks. Now, this is hot. Look at that. Check out, you can see the corn kernels in there and everything. This is ready to roll, baby. February, we're cooking corn casserole on a grill. It doesn't get any better than that. Oh my God, is that good. It's got that cornbread taste to it, but it's sweeter. Cornbread, cast iron skillet on the grill. Indirect on a gas grill, no doubt. So if you can think you can do it, you can. I'm Mark, and this is Everyone Can Grill. Get off your butts, fire up your grills, and see what you can do, because everyone can grill.